My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. Today we are going to discuss how to find out the derivative of general exponential function. What is the general exponential function if we have to write down y is equals to a power x? This is the general exponential function. That means power, it is in the form of the function. For example, here this is 4 x square plus 3. This is cos x whole power ln x. So we have these are not in the constant form, they are in the function form. So here what strategy we have to adopt to find out the derivative here? So this is y is equal to x cos x. This is the general exponential function. So what strategy adopt here to find out the derivative? First we have to take out ln on both sides. Ln on both sides. We have the property of logarithmic function that the power become the coefficient of ln, power become the coefficient of ln function. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. So we have to apply the operator d upon dx, that is, so here the derivative of ln y is 1 upon y, because we have a formula that is the derivative of ln x, it is equals to 1 upon x. So the derivative of ln y, it is 1 upon y, and then we have to find out the derivative of y. On the right hand side, we have to apply the product rule when two functions are in product form. U as it is, derivative of v, v as it is, derivative of u. This is the product rule to find out the derivative when two functions are in product form. So here we have to apply this rule. So this is u as it is, that means the cos x as it is, derivative of ln x. Then ln x as it is, derivative of cos x. U as it is, derivative of v, plus v as it is, derivative of u, because these two functions are in product form, so therefore we have to apply the product rule here. 1 upon y, derivative of y is dy upon dx. Cos x is as it is. The derivative of ln x, it is 1 upon x. We have discussed this formula. Ln x remains same, and the derivative of cos x, we have the formula minus sin x. So this y we have to shift there because we have to find out the dy upon dx here. So this is dy over dx plus minus minus sin x into ln x into y. So we have to put the value of y, that is equals to x cos x. So this is dy upon dx we have to put the value of y, that is equals to x of cos x. This is the derivative of exponential general function here. So we have to discuss a very important strategy. What strategy we have to adopt to find out the general exponential function's derivative there. This is x power cos x. In this situation, we have to take out ln on both sides. And the property of ln is the power become the coefficient of the ln function. And then we have to apply the derivative there. Derivative of ln y is 1 upon y, and then we have to find out the derivative of y. Here, two functions are in product form. So we have to apply the product rule here, that is u into v, u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u. So we have to apply this product rule here. Ln x, the derivative of ln x is 1 upon x. Ln x remain same. We have to find out the derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. We have to shift this y to the right hand side, and then we have to put the value of y, that is x power cos x. So this is the derivative of this exponential general function. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel, Math with Yasser Arfat. Allah Hafiz.